Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, the children will go on a tour of the State House. Mr. President, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Excellency, Mr. President, on the occasion of the National Children's Day,
the gift of the president from the president. Different gifts from different presidents. That's the president's gift. This is the president's gift from this team president. This one. Okay, one last time. Power is the country. It's a great privilege for you to be here. This is the president's office. This is where Mr. President makes decisions for the country. So this is the president's office here. So this is the president's office. Come and see the meeting room. This is one of the president's meeting rooms. Yeah.
You can hold it in your hand. Bayo.
let's go.
One more time. Happy Children's Day. Okay, the card. Okay, sir.
But how can she get a banana?
More likely to Nigerians and the general public.
Well, today, as you know, the entire country is focusing on the children to whom the future belongs. So therefore, it is in line with this that Mr. President came out, joined by children selected from various schools, various backgrounds, to symbolically mark the day with the cutting of the cake. The president has said all of the times that all of the things that his government is engaged in, whether it is in the provision of infrastructure or restructuring the economy, and the deliberate effort to return sanity to the affairs of the country, they are all for the children. And so therefore it shouldn't surprise anyone that he has come out today fully identifying with them and show leadership to the nation on the matter.
And what does it signify to the nation, especially with this current security challenges?
Well, that the country is one, and that the challenges are certainly not beyond what the government can handle. And it means that we come together, come around our administration, support it in our various ways, and build a future for the children. All of us who are here, whether they are as leaders or elected or appointed or whatever, it is our duty to do the best we can so that we leave a legacy of peace, of prosperity, and a happy future for our children.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.